barely anybody out here at all. This is one of the ritzier places in the city. Even over here, like Saks Fifth Avenue, quote unquote, there's barely anybody out here. This is the Middle Afternoon. You know what time it is? You know what time it is? 4 o'clock? You know what time it is? Nice.
2:20.
Okay, about 2:30. Okay, yeah, it's about 2:30 now on a Saturday weekend, the first weekend of May. So there should be plenty of people out here. I mean, like it should be packed. That's the normalcy around here. But no such luck. Not now. Look at this here. That's the place, that's Rockefeller Center, in the gold statue of Liberty. Barely anybody out here. This is
please exit through the rear door.
This is 42nd Street, near the Museum of History. Normally there's a lot of people around here, but not today at all. Yeah.